Screaming, and then coughing. Wow. And he's always using the right hand. He shakes his hand, then he gets off the stage. Did you notice nobody wanted to shake his hand? I wouldn't have said. I'm a great American, but I don't know if I want to go there. Now, he's always coughing into his hand, and it's not a real cough. It's a nervous habit. He's got to stop. Because there was no real cough. He just goes. I like it. Is that okay? Yeah, let him go a little bit longer, okay? Look at these two guys. And then it'll turn out to be a lousy show, and I'll say, you were right, Jason. It'll be good. So go for another 20 minutes. Is that all right?
Go.
Okay, go ahead.
Thank you, Jason.
It seems to be a nice flow,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Let's go.
Well, you did reality TV.
I'll be in trouble with my people. Like Biden says, I don't have that problem. But, well, first of all, he couldn't do this interview. Have you asked him questions like this?
No, we were talking about that. We were like,
wouldn't.
We'd like to extend the invite to Joe Biden if he'd like to come on this podcast.
Yeah, I think he should. You know what chance you have of getting him on? I'd say less than 1%. Okay? If you did that, it'd be interesting. I'd actually watch that one. Okay, see how long it lasted. And they tell me stories that they've seen things that you wouldn't believe. These are not people that you would say, gee,
no way.
Oh, that's
no
okay.
Way. President of the United States.
But
I said,
who is it? Silent? That's Joe Biden wanting to do an interview. Now, Sleepy Joe would say the unemployment rate in the great state of Ohio. No, you're in South Carolina. Joe, you're in South. They come up and you ever see the guy that no, it's South Carolina. It's not Ohio. Okay. And he goes, all right, Iowa. Did you say Iowa? No. No, he did that like 7 times. If I did that once, it would be the end of the road, right?